We have 3 cubes which are melted into one large cube. We're going to find the volume of cube for each one of them. So let me write C1, cube 2, cube 3. Let me write the edges, that is x, 8, 10 and 12. Volume of cube is side the whole cube. So let's say volume of cube 1 will be x cube, volume of cube 2 will be 8 cube, which is 512, volume of cube 3 will be 1000, and volume of the larger cube will be 12 the whole cube, which is 1728. We add all of them and equate with 1728. So x cube 512 1000 is equal to 1728. We get x cube is equal to 1728 minus 1512, which is equal to 216. We take cube root on both the side. We get x is equal to 6. So we need to find the value of length, breadth and height over here. So we're going to use total surface area of cuboid. The length, breadth and height are given in the ratio. So we're going to take a common multiple. So let me write the formula over here. This is the formula we're going to use. So length is to breadth is to height, which is equal to 5:4:2. I'll take x as a common multiple between them. Let me write over here. Let x be the common multiple. So we get length is equal to 5x, breadth is equal to 4x, and height is equal to 2x. I'll substitute each value in the given formula. The formula which we are using, that is total surface area of cuboid. And also the total surface area of cuboid is given as 1216 square centimeter. So 1216 is equal to 2 bracket 5x into 4x plus 4x into 2x plus length into height, that is 5x into 2x. So we can divide 1216 by 2 and we'll solve this bracket. We get 20x square plus 8x square plus 10x square. We'll add all of them. This we get as 608 equal to, we get 20 plus 8 28 and 28 plus 10 we get 38. So 38x square. So we divide 608 by 38, so we get x square (608) upon 38, which we get as 16. So we take square root on both the side. We get x is equal to 4. Now we substitute the value of x in length, that is 5x, which is equal to 5 into 4, we get as length as 20 and breadth as 4 into 2, that is 4 into 4, that is 16, and height is equal to 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. So the dimension of the cinema hall is a cuboid. So we're going to take volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. Now the value of length is given as 100 meters, the value of breadth is given as 60 meters, and the value of height is given as 15 meters. Note that it will be always be given this ratio, length, breadth and height. So we first find the volume of hall, that is 100 into 60 into 50, which gives us 100 into 900, which is 90,000. Now we find, now the volume of air is given as 150 meter cube. So we find the number of person by taking the ratio of volume of cinema hall to volume of air inside the cinema hall. So we write number of person which can sit in the hall is equal to volume of cinema hall upon volume of air. Which is equal to 90,000 upon 150. We reduce this fraction by cutting out the 0. We get 9,000 upon 15, which is equal to, when we divide this, we get 600. Therefore, 600% can sit in the hall. So we're going to use the formula for volume of cuboid. We need to find height over here. So length and breadth is given. Length is given as 25 and breadth is given as 60. So let me write over here. Length is equal to 25 meters and breadth is equal to 60 meters. The volume of air is given as 16 meter cube. So number of person is given as 75. We'll find number of person is equal to volume of room upon volume of air. So we substitute the values. We write 75 equal to volume of room is length into breadth into height upon volume of air is given as 16. So we substitute the value of length and breadth, which we get as 75 equal to, we cross multiply 75 into 16, we get 25 into 60 into height. So we get height is equal to 75 into 60 upon 25 into 60. We reduce this fraction. We can cancel this out as 3s are, this is 4 4s are, and this will be 4 15s are. And we can cancel 3 and 15, that is 3 5s are, which we get as 4 upon 5, and therefore the value of height we get as 0.8 meters.